Have you ever heard words like quantum computing or biometric authentication and thought, am I watching a sci-fi movie? Guys, we are living in the future. New technology is coming every day. But if we don't understand the words, we feel lost or old. Today, we are going shopping for future tech. Think of it like a supermarket where each section has important tech words: AI, virtual reality, security, cloud, all in simple, easy English. Hey English Rockstars! I am Namrata and welcome to Namrata English Center. By the end of this video, you won't just understand tech words, you will use them confidently. Ready to fill your basket? Let's start. Let's start with the smart section. Word 1. AI or artificial intelligence. Don't overthink it. AI just means smart computer. It's when a machine can learn and solve problems like a human. Example, my phone uses AI to sort my photos. Word 2. Algorithm. This sounds so scary, right? Think of an algorithm as a recipe. It is just a set of instructions a computer follows to perform a task. Example, the YouTube algorithm suggested this video to me. Word 3. Automation. This means machines doing boring and repetitive work by themselves, so humans don't have to. Example, in the future, automation will clean our homes. Word 4. Quantum. Now, let's add a big fancy word that people love throwing around. Quantum. Don't worry, the meaning is simple. Quantum means very tiny science. Things happening on a super small level. Example, scientists are working on quantum computers which can solve big problems very fast. Now, let's enter the fun section. This is where we leave the real world behind. Word 5. VR or virtual reality. Think of virtual like something which is fake but looks real. When you wear a headset and you can't see your room anymore, you are in a video game world. That is VR. Example, I played a game in virtual reality. It felt like I was flying. Word 6. AR or augmented reality. Augmented means added to. You still see your room but you see a digital cartoon character standing on your table. Like an anime? Example, this shopping app uses AR to let me try on glasses virtually. Word 7. Metaverse. This is just a fancy word for a 3D internet where people can meet and play as avatars. Example, my company held a meeting in the metaverse. These words make you sound super professional and techy. Word 8. Biometric. Bio means life, metric means measure. It just means using your body, fingerprint or face as a password. Example, my phone uses biometric scanning to unlock. Word 9. Encryption. Imagine writing a letter in a secret code so only your friend can read it. That is encryption. It keeps data safe. Example, WhatsApp uses encryption so nobody can read your messages. Word 10. Cloud. Is your data floating in the sky? No. The cloud just means a giant computer somewhere else that holds your files. Example, I saved my photos to the cloud so I won't lose them. Word 11. Authentication. Here's another important word you will hear everywhere. Authentication. This simply means the system or the software is checking if you are really you. Example, when you type an OTP to log in, that is an authentication. Finally, the most important section, the future is green. Word 12, sustainable. If something is sustainable, we can keep doing it without hurting the planet. Example, solar power is sustainable energy. Word 13, carbon footprint. This isn't a real footprint. It's a measure of how much pollution, that is carbon, you create in your daily life. Example, I walk to work to reduce my carbon footprint. And done. You now understand the 13 most important tech words of the future. Homework time. Choose one word from today's list, like cloud or biometric, and write a simple sentence in the comments. If this video made future tech simple and fun, hit like, subscribe to Namrata English Center, and share it with a friend who wants to sound modern and confident. Don't sound old, sound futuristic. Bye bye.